And welcome guys to Sonic Network. So today I've got a little package right here in front of you. Actually it's the YouTube pillow I ordered from AliExpress on 13th of December, and I've just received it now. It's 31st of December, and it makes about like 17 to 18 days to arrive in Pakistan. So let's open the packaging and let's check the quality of this thing right quick. I have to be careful not to cut the cushion out or else. So I didn't tell you guys about the price. The pricing of this YouTube pillow cover is just rupees 3.50 dollars. It's not that expensive, and I was about to order a velvet one, but then I thought that the reviews were more on the cotton one, so it's of cotton. And let me just open it up. Here we go. Okay, so let's just open this up pretty neatly, and here we go. Well, that's huge. I didn't expect it to be this big, but the color seems a little off, like it's not completely saturated red, the real icon of YouTube. It's not like that. A little bit faded out color. Here you can see the white part here. It's not white, it's off-white, more to a yellowish tint, not the original one. Anyways, let's just open it up. So yeah, here we go. My voice is like that because I've been pretty sick due to the weather conditions here in Pakistan. So the material is of cotton and it's very much soft, and either I'm colorblind or this is a little bit orange. You can see for yourself, it's a little bit of orange side. It's not actually red. Here you can see it's a bit orange tint. From far away it can look red, but it's orange actually, and it's yellowish tint. I was about to order the velvet one because it was completely red and white, but there were no reviews on that, so I thought that I should give it a try because it wasn't that expensive either. So I just got this, and here's the zip line. Here I can insert the wool or any other cushion to make it fat like that. Then I'm gonna use it to make my YouTube videos. So I've ordered this from AliExpress, and it got delivered from China to Pakistan in just 18 days actually, and it was of rupees 350 to 300 PKR, and payment was done online. So I guess it will do the job fine because I couldn't find it anywhere in the place where I live. So I guess that wraps it up, guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, adios amigos.